guys, we're just we're gonna make slime today, and we need water, borax, glue, and optional choices of food coloring. And now I'm gonna pour the glue in here and mix it with the water. With the water. And then we're gonna pour the water in here next. Stop, you need to take this seriously. And then we're gonna stir it more and more until it gets sticky. We need to make it stickier so it can stick to things and so it won't stick to fiber or anything. I'm gonna check how sticky it is. I think it's sticky enough. So do I pour? So we need borax that we're gonna pour it into here. To make it sticky. If we make this sticky, then it's slime. We're just gonna mix this and mix it all the way so we can make this perfectly and even. Now we just gonna mix this with more water. I need more water. So okay. Now we're gonna put in the dyes. And now I'm gonna pour one of the dyes in. So this is a pink dye or it's a red dye? It's a red dye. So I have to do this with my hands, right? I just need more food coloring into it. 1, 2, and 3. Now we do it with our hands like this.
Take out the spoon. Oh, careful.
I need more water for this, Mom.
No, that's enough.
Then why is it so sticky with borax? Now I'm gonna do this more and more so it doesn't get us.
Because you have to put it in the bowl, then just must knead it. You put it inside.
Okay. I'm gonna check if this is good enough.